Hi guys, welcome back to Wida's Kitchen. Well, today I'm all alone and I'm going to do a quick and easy Jamaican rundown. But I'm doing a little twist with it today, and I'm going to use some tin mackerel. Here I just squeeze my coconut, freshly squeezed. So I'm going to allow it to boil. Then I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. Alright, to my pot I'm gonna add some garlic and some pimento seed to boil with the coconut milk. Yes, so I'm gonna allow this to boil until it comes right down, and then I'll show you the rest of the procedure. So here's my rundown, still boiling. It's been on the fire for about 10 minutes, so it wants to go down some more. Then I will finish show you what I'm doing. You see the oil forming on the top? I don't put no cooking oil, no butter, just the pure coconut. So guys, here is my milk. You see it reduced a lot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my seasoning. So the custard and the oil, yeah, I'm going to add in my seasoning. Yes, so escallion and thyme, pepper, and I'm gonna allow this to cook just for a couple minutes, maybe like 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna add in my mackerel. So now I'm gonna add my mackerel. And this smells so good. And then I'm gonna add some black pepper. Just gonna cover this just for a couple minutes, maybe 1 or 2, and then I'm gonna taste. Now I'm gonna add some salt. Taste it off camera. You needed some salt. Yes, so I'm gonna allow this to just simmer down just a couple more minutes for my season to soak, and then I'm gonna cook some food and plate it and show you guys. See how beautiful this is? So guys, here is my tin mackerel rundown. I'm warming it up. Now when I forgot to put in some onions, I just did so. So you can just add your onion and your scallion and your thyme, your pimento seed, your garlic, and that's all you need, and some salt to taste. And here is my food cooking. Yes, so I'm going to plate it now for you guys to see. So here guys, here is my finished dish, my tin mackerel rundown, Jamaican style, from Aweda's Kitchen. Remember guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.